All right, in this video, we are talking about our Panasonic GH5 Micro Four Thirds mirrorless camera, and we use it for both photo and video. And we're gonna get this box open and show you what's inside. So first off, instruction booklet. Down in there, and you can pull out the strap. And in the back section, you have the charger and all of the cables that you need, in addition to the cable mount for organizing your cables and the battery. Up front, we have our camera. We'll get it out and show it to you. Right. There you can see the top, all your buttons and functions, and then we will go through, and let's start on this side. And up top there you have your mic and your headphone jack. And then next we've got our HDMI and USB ports. Right, we'll take a look at the back there and open this fantastic tilt screen. You can see you can also flip it. Wonderful. And then over on this side, we have our remote port if you want to use a remote, and your double SD card slots. And down here on the bottom, spot for a battery. Just lock that back in. And just check out all sides again. So this is just our quick unboxing video for our Panasonic GH5. It's a really great camera and we love it.